everybody. First vlog, number 1. One-handed.
So talented. What the fuck's maple?
Outside. Something like that. So we're making some eggs. It's really hot outside. That's okay. Yeah. Almost done.
All right, we're here live with Nick.
How's it going, guys?
He's making eggs.
Making eggs. They're not cooking fast.
Very exhilarating moment here. Not every day you get the opportunity to see somebody make some eggs, so this is a very thrilling vlog. You can't see this shit anywhere else, I gotta tell you. You know, as you see, those yolks are still not broken, so I don't know if he's got some plans for that, or you know, he's just gonna let them fester. I mean, everybody makes their eggs differently. And we got some fresh mountain broke coffee from the hills of Colombia.
That we do.
We got the team mascot. However the fuck you zoom in with this thing. Oh. Yeah, he's a little slow in the head. Let's take a closer look at him. Hey there, my nuts. Now let's get back over here to Nick, because we don't want to miss anything special, you know. Okay, yeah, still making some eggs.
They're not as good as Rachel Ray's, but
I mean, eggs and egg, man. I mean,
scraping pretty hard right now.
comes out of chicken's ass, and you put it on your fucking plate and eat it, you know.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to say about
It's
yourself?
very serious. My eggs are done over.
Uh-oh, the behind-the-scenes technology is exposed. You've been exposed.
Dunga. So we got Austin here making some. So we're gonna go to the gym later.
What time is it right now?
I don't know.
It's plural.
It's gonna be awesome. We're gonna hit the arms and back and chest. It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. My shoes are coming later, and I'm excited.
Well, I gotta say, technique to making eggs. All right, break it down. You want to know how to make a good set of eggs? Well, I'm gonna tell you. First thing you gotta do, crack the egg. You're not gonna get very far if you don't crack the egg. I mean, I guess you could. I mean, if you like eating fucking eggshells, then you put them on the pan and you let them cook, and then you eat them. Now, a lot of people might be saying like, "Oh, that's obvious," but you know, I guess it is obvious. So, I mean, just I don't know, make some fucking eggs, throw some fucking cheese on there. You gotta you can't just set it. You gotta slap it, because if you don't slap it, then it doesn't have the effect, and your eggs are just gonna taste like shit. There we go.
So we just
I
got
know where it is, probably because I haven't been drinking as much water.
out of the gym. Not a bad workout. Me and my friend Austin.
Got this guy across the road. Oh,
Now-
no thank you, no nothing. Okay, I'll go fuck myself, no big deal.
Now we're going to the. How did you feel about the workout today, Austin?
I don't know, my fucking arms are fucked.
Some of people that are sitting around. Malcolm X, Martin Luther, hallelujah.
Don't know what the song is, never heard it, but sounds like gangster rap, so you gotta give a little head bob.
We're at the beach.
It was a pretty good swim.
All right, this is.
I mean, if we get in an accident, I'll have a fucking Mazda symbol implanted on my fucking chest and a fucking broken nose, but, you know, it's no big deal. Beat him off the gate.